Jim Athey, I'm the MD of George Smith. I've been here for 9 years. So George Smith was founded by an antiques dealer, and what he started to do was produce new furniture using very traditional techniques and materials found in antiques. And what that does is it produces the highest quality, most durable pieces of furniture that you can imagine. And we supply these to prestigious projects all over the world. So we value safety, service and quality over cost at every turn. We use traditional materials and techniques, so you're talking things like all hardwood frames, use horsehair and cone springs in our furniture, and this produces pieces which are truly spectacular, will be the pinnacle of comfort and will last a lifetime and become antiques of the future. Our mindset is, if it makes a product better or it makes it safer for us to produce, then we'll consider that as a win. And looking at our wood machinery, Felder ticks that box for us. So it's enabled us to make our wood machining operations safer, our products are more accurate and more repeatable. And what that means is that when these components go together, the joins are better, they're not going to last longer, they're not going to creak and fail. So it's a better all-round product.
The machines you are producing are really good machines, which makes our job easier. The machines are a lot quieter, it's a lot quicker, and one of the most important, they're a lot safer. And they give a better finish when you're playing in timbers, cutting, even the saws will get off you. To go with the machines, they're really good, high class.
So one of the challenges for us is we make a lot of customisable furniture. So all of our standards are customisable, so you can have them in any shape, any size. And then we'll make bespoke furniture as well. 50% of what leaves this factory is bespoke. What that means is that the use of highly repeatable, CNCs can be difficult. And Felder's range of conventional machines with their digital control allows us to make things really accurately, but also allows us to change sizes quite quickly. So it allows a quicker setup time, more accurate, the same top level of quality and repeatability of the furniture, but on a bespoke basis. We got an inquiry from a long-standing customer of ours, and they wanted a timber dining chair, which is something we've never produced before, so it's all timber. And every joint is onshore, so you'll appreciate with upholstery, often we're covering our joints. This piece has every joint onshore, and therefore accuracy is even more important because it's got to be visually perfect. And what we found is that using the modern machines that we've got from Felder, we're able to get that accuracy and it comes across in the piece, and it's opened up a new market for us, and we've now sold hundreds of these pieces around the world.